Google is reportedly trying a new gold verification badge. They also finally finished rolling out their April 2023 reviews update, and that's good news because for the second quarter in a row, they have reported ad losses. And Meta has a mega glitch and caused some accounts to overspend. Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko, and welcome to this Wednesday edition of This Week in SEO News, brought to you by PosiRank.com. Well, as it turns out, Meta has a little explaining to do, although we probably know they won't. Facebook advertisers are concerned about a glitch that caused some accounts to overspend by up to 4 times their daily budget and experience higher than average CPAs. While Meta has yet to make a statement, they did post in a Facebook advertisers group that the issue was caused by an automated system, which has since been resolved. Advertisers are still uncertain about what caused the issue and how Meta plans to make it right. As a precaution, advertisers are advised to check their ad campaigns and pause any that are overspending. Well, obviously, right? Why keep it going? In other news, Google Ads is reportedly testing a new gold verification badge for advertisers. Although Google has not released an official statement, the badge was noticed by Alex Kubica, who posted about it on Twitter. The Google verification badge is part of Google's ongoing advertisement verification initiative, following the introduction of blue verification marks and blue badge-like labels. The new badge indicates that an advertiser has been vetted and approved by Google, which increases click-through rates and overall performance. Man, that's a lot of badges. People's pages are going to start looking like a 4-star general service ribbon. You see, I got this badge for content, I got this badge for reviews, and I got this badge for surviving the 2023 Broadcore update. Did you make it through? Oh, and speaking of updates, Google's April 2023 reviews update has officially ended. So, if you have a web page that contains recommendations for products, services, destinations, games, movies, or other things, now would be a good time to look at your analytics. And if you feel that you might be hit and don't know what to do, Google has published a guide called Write High Quality Reviews to help publishers understand how to identify a good quality review, which is something I talked about in the last episode, and the TLDR is write high quality content. I know, it's infuriating. This reminds me of that Dr. Pepper commercial where the Orange County Chopper guys asked that kid about how a Dr. Pepper tasted, and all he could say was, it tastes like Dr. Pepper. It's a lot like that. And finally, Alphabet, Google's parent company, has reported a second consecutive quarter of declined advertising revenue, with YouTube's revenue dropping by 3% year over year to $6.69 billion. Oh my gosh, how will they ever survive? Google is betting on new growth areas, including AI and short-form video, to drive a recovery. They're focusing on YouTube Shorts as their answer to TikTok, along with connected TV, commerce, and subscription services, and plans to significantly overhaul search in ways that will affect advertisers and publishers. Despite the sluggishness, Google still beats analyst expectations on earnings and revenue. As an alternative to third-party cookies, Google is testing AI-powered advertising products, which it claims are not as affected by the loss of popular targeting tools. Oh, look at you, Google. Looking at the glass all half full instead of half empty with your $6.69 billion? Well, my SEOs, that's all the news I have for you today. Let me know what you think about these stories in the comments down below. Till next time, my name is Kiko, and have a great day.